I'm surprised by how many people use pointless apps on their smartphones. Here are 15 apps you need but didn't know about. 1. Hurdly. Save time with 8-minute audiobook summaries. Hurdly app compresses bestsellers to 10%, offering 8-minute audio and video summaries with AI, saving your reading time every day. 2. Meet Moment AI. Build and deploy AI agents without coding. With Moment, you can effortlessly create and customize AI agents for your business. No code needed. Monetize your AI, deploy complete apps, take your project to the next level 3. Stack PDF Scanner. Easily scan documents with your phone's camera. It automatically recognizes and sorts documents into categories. 4. Wi-Fi AR. The app that visualizes Wi-Fi strength in real time, helping you find the best spot for optimal connectivity. 5. Black Screen. Enables YouTube music playback with the screen off, saving battery and offering a premium-like experience without the cost. 6. Calculator. Hide photos. A clever secret vault disguised as a calculator. Keep your private files safe and hidden. 7. Socratic by Google. A must-have app for students with step-by-step help in math, science, history, and more. 8. Snapdrop and PairDrop. Need to transfer files quickly between devices? Use Snapdrop for phone to PC transfers and PairDrop for sending files between Android and iPhone. 9. Motion Leap by Lightricks. All of your animation ideas may come to life as you type. Simply describe a picture, and our AI generator will produce it for you in seconds. 10th Dynamic Spot. Want iPhone 15? Pros dynamic island notifications on your Android? With Dynamic Spot, you can easily bring this feature to your device. 11th. Screen Master. Need long screenshots on your phone? Try Screen Master for effortlessly capturing entire pages. 12th. Starry AI. A free AI art generator that turns text into images. Create up to 5 watermark-free artworks daily, with options to customize styles, models, aspect ratios, and initial photos. 13. Chrome Remote Desktop. Securely access and control your computer from your phone with this app. 14. Elsa. Speak It offers personalized English lessons with real-time feedback on pronunciation, accent, vocabulary, and grammar. 15th. ClipDrop, a suite of AI-powered tools to elevate your image editing and creation experience.